Good afternoon, good midday. This is Fernando again, once again, just to show you another product review, but this time it's a Walmart review from Xiaomi Redmi um, micro SD cards that has much more storage and space. But before I get started, this shipping came from China, but it was picked up by the United States Postal Service. And the point is that I have it in in my hand right now. So here it is. I don't know what color it is, so I'm going to show it to you right now. Here it is. The color of this Redmi Xiaomi micro SD card is in a red color. I just pulled out of the package that is considered in a color uh in the package, by the way. Yes. So this is a micro SD card, and mhm, this is also two of them. The capacity of this Xiaomi um, micro SD card. Let me see. You can use it on the computer or in the phone. It's a memory card, by the way. These products can work in reliable to anything. It's Federal Communications Commission approved as well, and it's a great thing that I have this in mind since I received these products by a good condition, and they're in excellent condition and brand new condition. It's great to have them here. So this supports about 2 TB terabyte, much more expandable memory card, and you can use them on your tablet or the smartphone. It supports everything, including also computer, etc. It's a transferring, memory card. You can use it. It's a high speed performance. The brand of this product is absolutely Xiaomi. It's from Shenzhen, Boan District, China. It's manufactured in China, by the way, and it's approved by the Federal Communications Commissions. It's CE marking. It is also approved to use anything else. And therefore, God bless myself. God bless that I have received these two memory cards that are micro SD. I'm going to try them in my smartphone, but first I'm going to see if I can do. So make sure to please give it a like, and what do you think about these micro SD cards that are memory cards? You don't find these in store because these are exclusively for for the Latin American market. If you buy one of these micro SD cards, let me tell you something why. The micro SD cards from Redmi Xiaomi can cost you in Mexico hundreds of pesos, and let me tell you something for good. The only smartphone that is compatible, it can be compatible to a 12C Redmi Xiaomi from Xiaomi Redmi 12C, and you can use this in the smartphone from one of these models. If you need to find a model, you can go to Walmart.com and you can find the seller Virtual Depot, and you can purchase one of these smartphones that are compatible for you. And if it's compatible with, AirTalk Wireless, track phone, I would definitely recommend you this product, and you can find this, number here. And I'm leaving you all the information of these specifications here. And for now, you can have this access, but you can buy this online, but it's not available in the United States in person, neither in stores. You can get this online, And you can go to Walmart.com and you can find Redmi 12C Xiaomi, and you can find that product that's good. And I will definitely recommend you use the memory cards from its original brand. But for now, this is Fernando Patino. I'm signing off. God bless you and have a good day. See you.